Hi my soulmates, today I will be introducing the zipper foot. We use it to sew zippers, which is also known as the eye foot. You can choose whether to use the left or right side. When sewing, match the right side of the foot to the right side of the zipper and vice versa. The two most commonly used zipper styles are regular and invisible. When using the eye foot to sew a regular zipper, no matter the design of the zipper, make sure the edge of the foot is aligned with the teeth of the zipper. We can also use the eye foot to sew invisible zippers. When sewing, align the edge of the foot close to the teeth of the zipper. There is a presser foot specially designed to sew invisible zippers. I will introduce that presser foot in a separate video. You can also use the eye foot when sewing a top stitch very close to the edge. Lastly, you can also use the zipper foot to sew pipings, trimmings, and boning. I will do a quick demonstration on how to use a zipper foot to sew piping. Today, I have introduced the most common use of the zipper foot. If you use the zipper foot for other sewing techniques, share with us in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my soulmate. Bye bye.